This is all about confidence intervals. Here's what I want to refresh your memory about. There are 3 confidence intervals we're learning. You ready? You ready? The first one is if you know the population standard deviation of the problem, you're using this equation. It's called the standard deviation is known, and the equation, I call it the Z equation. Tell me what slide that's on. I know you guys wrote it down.
2.
No. No, it's not slide 2. There it is, slide 10. There's the Z equation, okay? You ready? Next, the second one. The second one says when the population standard deviation is unknown, I call that the T equation. You guys wrote down T equations on slide what? 13. Thank you. Here we go. No, it's not on 13.
18. I said 18.
18. Thank you, 18. There's the T equation. That's the second one. The third one has no standard deviation, and it's called the proportion equation, which is on slide 26. There it is. That's the proportion equation. It has no standard deviation. It happens to also use Z, but it's really a completely different equation because it's using proportion. So now, with that said, look at this. Z, T, proportion. Z, T, proportion. An economist reports 560 out of a sample of 1,200 middle-income American households actively participate in the stock market. Construct a 90% confidence interval. Should we use a Z, a T, or proportion? Which formula? I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Yeah, but I still appreciate you. Right? I appreciate it. I do. It's not T. Z. No, it's not Z. What's left?
Proportion.
Are we recording this? Do you see a standard deviation in this problem? If it is, make it appear. There's no standard deviation. This couldn't be any easier. This is just like taking a quiz. This is the part where you guys are going to blow it. Don't be like everybody else. This is the whole point of this exercise at this moment. You look at this question and you should be able to identify which formula to use. This is the hardest part of confidence interval. Based on a sample of 100 U.S. consumers, a researcher finds that the average amount spent annually on a debit card is $7,790. That's per year. Assume that the population standard deviation is 4,500. What would be the 99% interval? Z, T, or proportion?
Z.
Oh my God, we're back in the game. All right, okay. But still, Monica gets credit for being brave on that first one. You're welcome. Ready? According to a survey, 44% of adults admit to keeping money secrets from their partner. Suppose the survey is based on 1,000 respondents. Compute a 90% confidence interval. Z, T, or proportion? Oh. Yes. What was? Did you say? Wait, was that after you already said the wrong one? You only had one left, and you had it wrong again. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. So why was it proportion though? Why? What is it about that last one right there that makes it a proportion? Say it again. That's right. There's no standard deviation. Do you see it? Now I'm asking for this is the thing. You're reading the question. It's asking for a confidence interval, and either it has the population standard deviation, the sample standard deviation, which means it doesn't have the population, or no standard deviation. This is it. This is how you tell the difference. You get one last chance here. Are you ready? Everybody gets this right. According to a survey, high school girls average 100 text messages daily. Assume that the survey was based on a random sample of 36 high school girls, and the sample standard deviation is 10 text messages. Calculate a 99% confidence interval. Z, T, or proportion?
Z.
T it is. T it is, because it said the sample standard deviation is 10 text messages. That's what gave it away. All right, you are now prepared for the quiz. We're taking it this Saturday during the game.